Today is a big day. I've got an event on. I've got to cook for a bunch of people. So I've got to do a load of shopping, get out and about town. It's going to be brilliant. Thanks very much, mate. Yeah. All the very best. Thank you very much. I'll see you later.
I had a bit of spare time, so I thought I'd put this new Range Rover Evoque to the test, and I knew just the place. I still made it to the event just in time to get cooking.
I think I've got for you one of the very best veggie burgers ever. Full of colour, full of life. Whether you eat meat or not, you're gonna love this. My inspiration came from an onion bhaji, but we're gonna load it with flavour. One, two, three. We're gonna go straight on there with some mango chutney, some corianders, just a few more chilies, and then the last bit on top. That's probably the best veggie burger I've ever had. Can I do one for you? You're welcome, my friend.
To see the full video, click the link.